Welcome children to our YouTube channel. Today we will solve some problems and find the value of x. Here 5x plus 13 by 2 is equal to 19. Therefore 5x is equal to, now we change the side of the 13 by 2. That means from the LHS to RHS. Therefore 5x is equal to 19 plus 13 by 2 become minus 13 by 2. Therefore 5x is equal to, here the LCM is a 2. Therefore 19 multiplied by 2 minus 13 divided by 2. Therefore 5x is equal to 38 minus 13 divided by 2 is equal to 25 by 2. Therefore 5x is equal to 25 by 2. Now we change the side of the 5. So 5 in multiplication, so it goes to division. Therefore x is equal to 25 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 5 5 is 25 is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 5 by 2 is our answer. Now children, we solve the another equation. 13 is equal to, now first we solve the bracket. Therefore 2 multiplied by x, 2x, 2 multiplied by minus 5, minus 10, minus 2. Therefore 13, now we change the side of 10, minus 10 and minus 2. Therefore 13, now minus 10 become plus 10, minus 2 become plus 2 is equal to 2x. Therefore now 25 is equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to 25 by 2, which is our answer. Children, transposing the number or variable from LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS. Plus sign become minus and minus become plus. Multiplication become division and division become multiplication. Please try to remember these things. Thank you children for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.